instructions on how to get to the autoplay mode in a particular page on a capsule 2.0. The capsules have 5 pages. Within the pages, there are modes. On the first 3 pages, there are 10 modes that are pre-programmed patterns, individual patterns, and then the 11th mode will cycle through all 10 of them, changing at an interval of time, which by default is 5 seconds. So to get to a page, you have to do, I don't know what Flowtoys actually calls it, but this is what you have to do. You have to click at this rate of speed. So I'm going to try and get to page 2. Let's see if I get it right here. Bum, bum. Excellent. It blinked 2 times, indicating it's on page 2, and now it should be on page 2, mode 1. If I want to get to page 3, bum, bum, bum. Excellent, that worked. And if I want to get to page 1, I have to click 6 times because there's too many things with 1 click. Yes, and it worked. Now, within the page, there are these 11 modes. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and now I'm on 11. So on 11, what should happen, because I have the default setting, is every 5 seconds it should change. So it just changed from not strobing to strobing. So that was the first change. Now it changed again. That was number 2. So every 5 seconds it's actually changing because that's what I have set up as the default. And you can go in there and change that if you want, but this is how you get to the autoplay mode. Okay, this is a follow-on video because there was some confusion about how to get to the pages and the rate at which you have to click. So if you click at this rate, that's only going to be the equivalent of 1 click. It's not a double click. It wouldn't actually get you to page 2. You have to click quickly enough, so it's got to be click, click, like that fast. Or click, click, click. That's for page 3. Or click, 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 click for the 6 clicks for page 1. So the amount of time in between the clicks is incredibly important, and you have to do it pretty quickly. And then, secondly, you can tell which page you're on based on how many times the light blinks the lantern color after you click it. So watch. I'm going to click 3 times. Bum, bum, bum. And that didn't work. Sorry. See? Bum, bum, bum. 1, 2, 3. That was lantern shade, and it was clicking 3, and it was blinking 3 times, indicating it's on page 3. So now I'm going to try and get to 2. Bum, bum. 1, 2. And that's page 2. Now I'm going to try and get to page 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Which I didn't do right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. And you can tell from the blinking which page it's on. Once you go to the beginning of a page, it will bring you to mode 1 on that page.